Hello everyone, it's Joshua here today with another video course titled What is Ethereum? ETH. Check this. Ethereum Explained. In today's video course, you will learn what is Ethereum. Okay? Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency Ether, ETH. Ethereum works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. In my previous video course, I have talked about what the blockchain is and what the blockchain system is. Okay, I've also talked about what decentralized means when it comes to the blockchain. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain system. Okay, and there are a lot to learn from Ethereum. There are a lot to learn about Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum was first described in 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Okay, Vitalik Buterin, along with other co-founders, secure funding for the project in an online public crowd sales in the summer of 2014 and officially launched the blockchain on July 30th, 2015. If you might be wondering who is Vitalik Buterin, okay, Vitalik Buterin is the founder of BitTorrent. In those days, when the internet just came up, there was a file sharing system that enabled gamers applications to be shared, and it's called BitTorrent. Vitalik Buterin created that, and he is also one of the founder of Ethereum. Okay, and Ethereum was the first after Bitcoin, was the first coin after Bitcoin. As I said, there are lots to learn from or about Ethereum. As we move on in our video course today, we will have to learn some, and in our future video course, we will learn more as well. Ethereum, the foundation of our digital future. It covers quite a lot. Ethereum covers banking for everyone. Ethereum covers a more private internet. It covers a peer-to-peer network. Wow, so much in stock in Ethereum for the world. Censorship resistance, commerce guarantee, compatibility for the win. So this is why Ethereum is the foundation of our digital future. Banking for everyone. In the world we live today, not everyone has access to a bank account. There are many people in Africa and other parts of the world that don't have access to financial services. But all you need to access Ethereum and its lending, borrowing, and saving products is an internet connection. Wow, see, data is life. With an internet connection, now you can have banking for yourself, irrespective of wherever you live in the world, in as much as there is internet connection on your smartphone or your PC device. You can now have financial services to you thanks to what? Ethereum. A more private internet. In the past, we could not afford internet. It was damn expensive to afford the internet or data, let alone a private internet. Ethereum has made life easy, and so you don't need to provide all your personal details to use an Ethereum app. Ethereum is building an economy based on value, not on surveillance. Okay, so these are one of the future benefits of Ethereum. Not just future, the current benefits of Ethereum. What Ethereum is doing for our lives today. Okay, a peer-to-peer network. The issue of trust has been something the financial space has always never come to terms with. People pay high price to third party just to perform certain financial transactions that requires trust. However, with Ethereum, Ethereum allows you to move money or make agreements directly with someone else. You don't need to go through intermediary companies just because you want to either send money or you want to sign a digital agreement or an agreement. So Ethereum now has bridged that gap. So it's a peer-to-peer network. Okay. Censorship resistant. Just like the blockchain and Bitcoin that allow permissionless transaction without any entity or government being able to alter the blockchain or make changes to the system. Ethereum, from the beginning, is positioned to change the narrative too. Okay, so it's not just only Bitcoin that changed that narrative of a permissionless transaction without any entity or government altering the system. No government or company has control over Ethereum. This decentralization makes it nearly impossible for anyone to stop you from receiving payments or using services on Ethereum. Okay? So it solves censorship resistance problem in the world. Commerce guarantee. Commerce guarantees. There are new millionaires in the entire world today. People never imagined a guy or lady from a remote location could ever be so successful with their business. All these narratives has changed because of technology, and Ethereum is not exempted. Ethereum creates a more level playing ground. Customers have a secure, built-in guarantee that funds will only change hands if you provide what was agreed. You don't need large companies' clout to do business. In the past, you had a lot to meet up before you could set up your business. But with technology and Ethereum, you can actually do a lot of things and grow your business to the heights that you want. So this is commerce guaranteed. Okay, Ethereum creates a more level playing ground. Customers have a secure built-in guarantee that funds will only change hands if you provide what was agreed. You don't need large company clothes to do business. Wow. Compatibility for the win. As the world grows into an unimaginable planet with different forms of hybrid technology, gadgets, and application, sometimes I wonder what our forefathers would think and say of today's earth. With Ethereum as the mothership to hosting smart contracts, applications, and new technologies, the narrative also has changed for the world. Better products and experience are being built all the time because Ethereum products are compatible by default. Companies can build on each other sources. Wow. So you see, Ethereum hosts smart contracts. Okay. In those days when I started my YouTube video, I think that was in 2016, we used to talk about what smart contracts are. And the best way to explain smart contract is to take your smartphone and go to Google Play, or take your iPhone and go to Play Store, and you check out for apps, applications. Now, those applications on your mobile phone, they are smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain when it comes to the blockchain. So those applications are applications on your smartphone which you can use to do one or two things in your life. It has a use case in your life. So Ethereum allows you to host a lot of smart contracts. In fact, Ethereum is the first blockchain. Ethereum blockchain is the first, that's why I call it the mothership to hosting smart contracts, application, and new technology. So with all these, you can actually leverage on other companies' sources to build yours. Now, a lot of us use WhatsApp. It's a company's sources, or Facebook. A lot of us use Twitter. A lot of us use Facebook. Is it because those are applications on your smartphone? So the world is changing. Okay, take note, guys. The world is changing. Ethereum products are compatible by default. Companies can build on each other's sources. So you see, it's interesting. There are a lot to talk about this amazing technology called Ethereum. Let's just focus on much more in our future video calls. Okay? Take note, guys. In our next video course, we will learn about what exactly are altcoins in the cryptocurrency space and much more. So, if you are out there, you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you are just joining us for the first time, you are absolutely welcome. I appreciate your time. Please hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the notification, post notification bell. It enables you to receive our video every time we upload a new one. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Guys, if you enjoy this video course, you know what to do, right? Come on. Please subscribe, like, share this video course with a friend. You never can tell, by sharing this video course with someone, you are helping the person with the information on what the video course is actually talking about. Okay? And you, please like. By hitting the like button, it encourages me to put out more of these video course like this. And I appreciate your time for watching this video course to the end. So please don't forget to hit the bell icon by the subscribe button. My name is Joshua, and you can contact me or join my Telegram channel directly. On the screen there, it's my Telegram channel link, my Facebook page, and my Twitter handle. Okay? One of the reasons why you should join my Telegram channel is you get to see my daily trades, how I enter the market Monday to Friday, how I buy or sell, how I make profit or loss. In fact, you can copy my trading signals all for free. It is free to join the Telegram channel. Also, you would also see my video courses. Every time I upload them, I will be dropping them there first before dropping them on YouTube. Or rather, the moment I drop them on YouTube, I'll be dropping them there on the Telegram channel. So you can actually go through the Telegram channel to see the previous video courses that you have missed or you would like to learn more about. Okay, there are going to be new video courses coming up in the future, so it is important you join my Telegram channel. It is free. Once again, my name is Joshua. I appreciate your time, and we've come to the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next video course. One love, peace out, bye bye.
Investment is a security for the future. Visit www.bpclass.net and be taught how to invest wisely on the internet and make profit. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.